Yeah.
Shadow could care less.
I know. Until one point, and then he's gonna...
Oh, that's too funny. That one crawled right up there and laid down. I'm like, okay, I'm good.
Well, it's gotta get washed anyway.
Uh-oh. Now you got a bunch.
Lay down, see?
Right on his back.
The attack of the monsters.
Silly duck.
He's gonna get up, Maya. Careful.
He's so freaking friendly.
Stop
I'm gonna
eating
eat
that.
that. I thought I got everything out of here. Still eating it. Stop. Stop.
Shadow with his band of ducklings.